Hello guys, welcome back to Chicoria. For this St. Patrick's Day, we're gonna learn to do these bright green balloons tied together to look like four-leaved clover. Let's begin.
Chicoria!
Let's start by drawing a cross as guidelines. Now from here, draw the first heart-shaped balloon. And a tiny tied up piece. Do the next one right opposite to it. The third one over here. Let them overlap. They need to appear rounder and bulgy like balloons. Now the last one. Alright, balloons are done. Let me add strings and ribbons. Draw two parallel snake-like lines, joining them with a V. Another shorter ribbon. Some strings here and there. Now for the outlines, carefully observe each step, cause the overlapping lines can be confusing. First balloon is a complete heart. It's on the top. Underneath it is the opposite one with complete heart as well. For the other two, exclude the overlapping lines and draw only the outside lines. I mean these. Anyone could draw a plain traditional shamrock, but a balloon representation is more fun, right? Now I'm adding shine and reflections on them, assuming the light source from the left-hand side. Next, we are gonna color it. Fill the balloons with teal, the shade with green, and touch up with some blue. Ta-da! You could even add cute faces. I hope you all liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a lucky day, guys.